Hey guys, welcome to Tech Rewinds. Today we're doing a review of this Sony Mega WatchMan. This model right here is a black and white unit. Had a standard FM, AM stereo. Had a cassette player. Had some matrix surround sound. I wonder what that is. Your sleep timer. Basic 3-way power supply. I acquired this on eBay a couple weeks ago. Seller said it was in good condition. It's not mint, but pretty good. This model right here, made in Taiwan. It's a pretty good model. Looks pretty clean. I think this one came out in around 1988. Let's go ahead and unbox it. Oh, it's in pretty good condition. You got your standard manual. I think your warranty card's in there. Let's go ahead and pull this out. See what we got here. Wow, seems to be in pretty good condition. It's over a 30-year-old unit. Still got the original sticker on here. Wow, not bad. Let me go ahead and show you guys some of the features on this unit. The controls, you got your controls right here, your volume, your tone. This is that matrix surround they were talking about. This is the button for that. You got your sleep, cassette player, play, rewind, fast forward, stop, pause. Let's see, pause it. You put your tape in there. So it has a little bit of a scratching right here. Your functions. That's for turn on the TV, turn it off. TV bands. This is the AM, FM. You got the tuner to tune the stations or the radio stations or the TV stations on here. So it had a nice little handy little handle. It's pretty heavy. It's probably around 12 pounds or so. Pretty good. This is your headphone jack if you want to listen to some headphones with it. Fortunately, this one's only black and white. The newer models had a color, but this one only came in black and white. This is an external antenna. Right here, behold encounter. I'm not sure what that is. You have two type of power supplies, the regular 2-prong one and another 1-pin power supply. So it's pretty cool. You have 2 ways to power it up. Got your antenna, pretty long antenna. The cool thing about this one's battery powered. Takes around, let me see how many. Wow, quite a few D cells. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 D cells to power this bad boy up. Let's go ahead and turn this bad boy on for you guys so you can check it out. Unfortunately, there's no more analog signals that come out, so I can't really show you. See, it works, but it doesn't work. There's no signal anymore. Modern day antennas. I've seen a couple guys on YouTube that actually have connected through the external antenna from the back to actually play from a modern, DVD players, VCRs. Guys, I'll put the description below if you guys want to check out those extensions you can use, connectors, so you can actually link this up to something more modern. You can actually use it. You go switch off to radio, and it turns off. Bumps. Little boombox bumps for the size. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for watching.